Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and space. This matters because updates fail if the phone loses power or lacks room. Plug the iPhone 6 Plus into a charger. Make sure battery is at least 50%. Once connected, confirm a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates are large and cellular can be slow or costly. Next, free about 2 GB by removing unused apps or backing up photos. After that, go to Settings and move directly to General to start checking for the update. You now check for updates and begin the download. This is where patience matters. In Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The phone will check Apple's servers and show the version. Tap Download and watch the progress. Verification happens automatically, which confirms the file integrity. Once downloaded, choose Install Now or Schedule Install Tonight. The iPhone will restart to apply changes. Make sure the charger stays connected and do not interrupt the restart. Interrupting can corrupt the update. Once the update completes, you will see setup prompts. Follow them to restore settings and verify the iOS version in Settings General About. If the update fails, don't panic. Try freeing additional storage and reattempt the download. If problems persist, connect to a computer and update or restore via iTunes or Finder, which can handle larger issues. Make sure you had a backup before restoring. If the device won't boot, use recovery mode as a last resort to reinstall the software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.